Now, the steps needed to start putting ads on your YouTube videos has changed over the recent years, but not that much. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 major steps you have to follow before AdSense will be displayed on your YouTube videos so you can start making money with it. So, if you're in the process of getting your channel monetized with AdSense, you have to keep watching this video for all that and much more. Hi there, I'm Winston, and in this video I'm going to walk you through 4 steps you need to follow to be able to put ads on your YouTube videos, the different types of ads you can add on your YouTube videos and the different ways to do that. I'll be showing you how to do that using your desktop device as well as your mobile devices. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in making monies with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You see, putting ads nowadays on YouTube videos is not as easy as it once was. A few years back, you could start monetizing your videos immediately after uploading them, even if you had just 100 subscribers. Nowadays, you need to reach a certain requirement set by YouTube before following the necessary steps to put ads on your YouTube videos. So, what are these requirements that you have to reach before monetizing your channel? Well, for a start, your channel has to reach at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscriber counts. So if your channel, for example, has fewer than 1,000 subscribers or fewer than 4,000 hours of watch time, then it doesn't meet both requirements that YouTube has set, and as a result, you will not be able to put ads on your YouTube videos. If you want to know where your channel stands when it comes to monetization, click on the monetization option here on your channel studio and you'll see if your channel has reached both requirements or not. If not, just click on this button here below and YouTube will notify you through an email as soon as your channel hits both requirements. Now, the second step on how to put ads on your YouTube videos requires you to sign up for an AdSense account. AdSense is basically a partner program that YouTube is using to monetize videos on their platform. So, you definitely need to have an account with AdSense, and the best way to do that, the way YouTube recommends that you join the partner program is to start the process from within your YouTube channel under monetization. That means as soon as you reach the monetization requirements, you see a link here under the associated AdSense account. Click on it and follow the on-screen steps. Now, while following the on-screen steps, you'll be asked to log into your AdSense account before proceeding. If you don't have an AdSense account yet, you can easily create one and link it up to your channel. When you successfully link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel, you'll be redirected back to this page where you'll see the AdSense account ID number. As you can see, I did mine just last year. The next step in the process is the review of your channel, and that will be done by a YouTube review staff. After your channel has been approved by the YouTube review staff member, the next step in the process of putting ads on your videos is setting your channel monetization preferences. Now, there used to be an automated default way of monetizing all your uploaded and featured video posts on your channel, but due to the recent changes, it looks like YouTube has taken that option off their platform. So, due to the recent changes, you have to monetize your YouTube videos now individually, and there are 3 different ways you can do that on YouTube. The first way is during the process of uploading a video on your channel. So after uploading and optimizing the video, the next step in the process is monetization. On the monetization page, you have the option to put monetization on or off. Now, since you want to put ads on your YouTube videos, of course you want to put it on. Now, as soon as you set your video monetization on, you have the option to choose any of these different ads formats so that YouTube will know where you want the ads to show up in or around your video. So you have here displayed ads which appear on the right side of the video and above the suggested videos on that page. Then you have overlay ads, which are the semi-transparent ads that appear on the lower portion of your videos. Now, with sponsored ads, viewers will see the card teaser pop up on the top right of the video for a few seconds. They can also click on the icon on the top right hand corner here to browse the different cards. Skippable video ads are inserted before, during, and after your videos. The ads are usually 3 minutes long but can be skipped after just about 5 seconds. You also have the non-skippable ads here. Now, the non-skippable ads are the same as the skippable ads in the sense that you can insert them before, during, and after the video. However, when the non-skippable ads come up, it can last for up to 20 seconds without the viewer having any way to skip over, which means this type of ads can definitely make you more money. So my advice here will be just to choose all the different options and leave it to YouTube to display the best ads that will make you the most money. Now, the next step in the process of putting ads on your YouTube videos is a new feature that YouTube has added called ad suitability. YouTube decided to add this feature here because some advertisers don't like to advertise on some types of video content. As a result of that, YouTube wants to know if your video is suitable to run ads on. You really want to be straightforward with YouTube here, so you want to choose any of these options that reflect the content of your video. The truth is, YouTube will still find out anyways if you are trying to trick them, and that might cost you even more. Now, if your video content doesn't fit any of these options, like the cases with this video, you can just click on none of the above here below and continue to the next step in the process of uploading your video. So that's just one way to put ads on your YouTube videos. Now, if you have a video already uploaded on your channel but not yet monetized, an easier way to monetize it is by first identifying the video under the Contents tab in your channel studio. So beside the video, you see this $sign, and beside you see it's off. Now, when you click on it, you have the option to turn it on. Mind you that you can only see this feature only after your channel has been approved for monetization. Another way to put ads on your channel videos is by just clicking on this $sign next to the video. When you click on it, you'll be taken to a similar page that looks like the one during the uploading process, and all you have to do is turn it on and select any of these ads formats and you are good to go. Now, I just want to also mention here that there is this mid-roll option here below where you can use to manually add more ads on your YouTube videos if you want to make more money from the videos. So if you are making long videos on your channel, videos that are 8 minutes long and above, you can use this mid-roll feature to add more ads to the video. So if you click on this mid-roll feature, this pop-up will appear. Now, as you can see, this bar on the video timeline here below indicates ad breaks on the video. To add an ad break, simply move your cursor to wherever you want the ads to appear and then click on the ad break link here at the top to add an ad break. So you can basically add as many ad breaks as you want, but while doing it, you want to also think about the people viewing your video. Now let's look at how you can put ads on your videos using your mobile device. To do that, you first need to install the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. After installing the app, you want to log into the app using your channel login information. And when you do that, you see a dashboard that looks similar to this. Now, to put ads on any particular video, simply tap on the 3 lines here at the top left hand side, and from the drop down options, you want to tap on the video option. You will now be taken to this page where all the videos you have uploaded on your channel will appear. You want to look for the video you want to put the ads on and tap on it. After the video opens up, you want to tap on the pencil-like icon here and you'll be taken to the video editing page. Then you want to scroll down the editing page and you'll see where it says monetization. Tap on it and here is where you can set the video on for monetization. You also see all these different ad formats we have already talked about in this video. And that's all when it comes to putting ads on your YouTube videos using your computer or your mobile devices. Now, I'd also like to know if you have already monetized your channel or you are in the process of monetizing your channel. And if you have any questions on this topic, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments area below this video. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.